All right, you are welcome to today's video. As we all know that the market is opening tomorrow, or I can say recently, just few minutes to 11, the market is going to open. So as we all know that each and every trader is trying to get a good opportunity to leverage in this week. So this is a gold chart from gold. Let's analyze gold and see what are we going to see, or what are we expecting in gold. So sorry. All right, so let's move to the daily time frame and see what are we going to see in the daily time frame in gold. All right, so as you can see in the daily time frame, good, there is already a liquidity here I marked out for so long, and this market is trying to go bullish to sweep this liquidity in gold, right? So we know that this market is, as you can see the movement from the daily time frame, it's moving higher high, higher low, impulsive move, retracement, impulsive move, retracement. So the market is trying to take out this liquidity area here. So that is what the 1 hour time frame is interpreting. It's trying to tell us here that we have a retracement here, which we are expecting a buy from that area. So let's move to the 4 hour time frame and see what are we going to see. Good. In the 4 hour time frame, the market is retracing. As you can see here, it retraces all the way to this area before an impulsive bullish candle appears. So this bullish candle is gonna be something important to the smaller time frame. But then let's see, why did the market stop here and give us an impulsive bullish candle? As we all know, here there is a fair value gap that is being tapped already. This fair value gap, or I can even say an order block that is being tapped already, and there is a liquidity area here. There's a liquidity area here. There's a liquidity area here, which the market is supposed to sweep that liquidity before giving us this bullish impulsive movement. Okay, so now the market stopped here giving us this bullish impulsive movement, but don't forget we still have a liquidity area here. So let's move down to the 1 hour time frame. You see, the 4 hour is trying to tell us also that the market is going bullish, and don't forget in the daily time frame we have a very high liquidity area at the top, which we are expecting the market is trying to go there. So now let's move to the 1 hour time frame and see what the market is interpreting. Good. In the 1 hour time frame, we have a change of character here already. Look at that zone, that fair value gap the market respected. Let me delete it here. But the question here is, why didn't this market sweep out this liquidity? But anyways, we trade what we see, not what we think, right? So from what we are seeing here, there is a shift in structure here. From what we are seeing here, there is a shift in structure in this market here. There is a shift in structure right in this market here. So this is trying to tell us that yes, this market is going to move to the upside, and there is also a double bottom here. right? There's a double bottom here. So now this market is retracing. This market is retracing. This is our fair value gap here. Although the fair value gap has been mitigated in the 1 hour time frame. This is our fair value gap. So we already know that we have a shift in market structure in the 1 hour time frame. What are we expecting? This is a mitigation block here, a mitigation block here. So we are expecting market to push down to this mitigation block. We take our buy from here. Where should we put our TP? Our TP should be somewhere above here, around here, this liquidity area here, or liquidity resting here. Good. Our TP1 and TP2, this is what we are expecting, and we also have another liquidity resting here. So you can target anywhere. So your SL should be above this area here. So good. If the market is tapping into this mitigation block, and don't forget there is an order block here. There is an order block here. This is funny. This is crazy. Okay, so if the market is tapping into this order block here, what is going to happen? That means there is possibility this liquidity is going to be taken out. Let's put our buy position. If you are using the order block, please let it be low so that your stop loss will be above the liquidity in case market is going to sweep the liquidity in the order block there. Alright guys, this is what I'm seeing, and this is what I'm thinking, I'm hoping will happen in gold. Okay, that we are still in the 1 hour. We are still in the 1 hour so far. So this is what I'm hoping is going to happen with gold. Let's move down to the 15-minute time frame. That's our entry time frame, and see what the market is interpreting there. So as you can see in the 15-minute time frame, it's still the same thing. This is our shifting structure here, and this is our mitigation block area here. This is our order block here. Don't forget we also have a breaker block here. Maybe the market might wish to respect the breaker block here, and there is this guy hasn't been taken here. This liquidity guy here hasn't been taken here. Though from what I'm seeing here, this this order block in the 1 hour time frame is likely going to be respected from what I'm saying here. But we can't judge the market. We just have to wait for the market to play around into our entry zones. If this market reach this point of interest here, what are we going to wait for? We'll move down to our 5 minutes or 1 minute time frame to see a clearly change of character before taking the buy from this area here. So if this market is going to push down to this area here, what are we expecting for? We clearly wait for our shift in market structure in the 1 minute time frame or 5 minute time frame or 2 minute time frame to take our buy from here. We just don't think we don't think in the market. We trade what we see, not what we think. We might be thinking, okay, this market we come here and we take the buy, boom. But unfortunately, it might not happen like that. This market might wish to take out this liquidity here, and if this market comes to take out this liquidity here, maybe the momentum of this order block might stop the market along the way not to take this liquidity, and it will go back up. But what I'm trying to let you guys know here is, if this market is retracing back to this area, always go to the small. Since our entry time frame here is 15-minute time frame, we are going to move to the smaller time frame to check for change of character. before executing our trade on gold. So guys, thank you for watching. This is my experience so far. This is what I'm expecting is going to happen in gold. See you throughout the week to share some experience on how the trade takes out.